Hi guys, I'm back with the new sessions. My name is Sheikh Imran, as you know, and today I'm going to teach you another sessions with the tally. So I hope you all are fine with this COVID-19 situations and all. So I'm back in this situation also because I felt it was compulsory to teach you and all, mandatory for you all. So I can cooperate with the situation also. So today is I'm going to begin with the new sessions with tally, learn tally. So let's move down with the new sessions. Let's come to the gateway of tally. Click on tally. Today I'm going to teach you that what is the use of multiple ledger. In the previous sessions I have taught you that what are the uses of how to create a ledger, single ledger. But today I'll teach you how to create more than one ledger or more than single ledger or bulk of ledger at one time. Yeah, there's an option also, you can create more than one ledger at a time in one shot. Here we go about the steps. First we have to go to the gateway of tally. You can click on tally. As you all know that I am working in an educational mode because I am not having a license here. Account info. The first option, this is the gateway of tally, as you all know. So the first option you have to select is account info. Click on account info, ledgers. See, there's a two category. You can see one is single ledger and the other one is multiple ledgers. Multiple ledgers. As in previous sessions, I have shown you what's how to create ledger in a single ledger mode. But now I'll show you how to create ledger in multiple ledger mode. In this mode, you can create ledgers in bulk or more than one or two. So I'm creating an example. My company is already open in Imran Agencies. So I'm going to create one ledger. Create. Here you can see. Under the group. Suppose I want to make, I'm willing to make some ledgers of parties to which we sell goods. And all. So I'm going to create parties. So in the single ledger mode I can make only one party account, but in this I can make bulks of party or more than one. I can make 50, 20, 30 as per your requirements or working requirements or level or wish, you can say whatever, you can take it. So the person to whom we will sell the goods will be our sundry debtors, right? Means we are liable to collect the cash or collect the currency or transactions from them. So you can go under group, so it will be sundry debtors. Here you can write sundry debtors. Yeah, sundry debtors, right? Okay. Now how many parties you are going to create? I'm going to create 3 parties. Mr. ABC is the party. I'm taking it as a caps lock. Okay. Yeah, fine. ABC is one of my party to whom I can sell goods. I sell goods, or the daily basis transactions are going on with him, with this ABC company. ABC Limited. Under sundry debtor is already there. under sundry debtor is already there. Opening balance, is there any dues or not in the previous session or previous year? No, there is no due. Okay. Again, D E F Limited. Again, this is another party, sundry debtors. The number third, GHI is another company. So GHI Limited. You can see another parties. Now, okay, I don't want to make any more creations of any parties of sundry debtors. This is all over. Okay, 3 parties at one time. I have created 3 ledger in one shot, in one time. I don't have to go back another in the single ledger and make another party at a different time. So I can make all 3 parties at one time. So number 4, I don't want to make any more. So I can just enter, put enter. Yeah. It's telling, do you want to accept that you have made 3 parties? Yes, I will accept. Finish. Your ledger is successfully created. You can now go to display and you can see sundry debtors. See, one is ABC Limited, I have made. DEF I have made. Eastern Logica was previously made, which I have shown you how to create this ledger in a single entry mode or single ledger mode. Yes. GHI I have made in all 3 at one time. So this one, GHI, DEF and ABC, I have made in one shot. And Eastern Logica was made or created in single ledger mode, as you all remembered. I hope you all guys have remembered. So this one, HM Traders, this one is also similar with as Eastern Logica. I have created through single ledger mode. So this is how you can create more than one ledger at a one time in bulk mode by the help or by the category or by the mode of multiple ledger creation. Then you can go back with the escape button. See, this is multiple ledger and this single ledger mode. In single ledger you can create only one ledger at one time, and in multiple ledger you can create as much as you can. You can make 50 ledgers, 50 parties name, 20 banks name, or any debtors, any provisional, any loans, any purchase account in bulk. So I hope this will work for you all. You can guys practice about it personally, and if you have any problem further, you can sure contact me on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.